So hello. Good evening, everyone. Hello and good evening, everyone. Welcome to Matholics. We'll be starting the session in next 1 minute. This question is for the Game Changer series, the PYQ series of Class 10 Maths. I guess it's the third or fourth class for this series. And we'll be starting the session with this particular question. Am I clearly audible and visible? Am I clearly audible and visible? Yes, good evening, everyone. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Good evening. How are you all? How are my Matholics? What kind of practices are you doing? Are you practicing good questions, good level questions, or no? Still just the basic ones, huh? Okay, let's start the session. Do not forget to like and share with all your friends. Now, while shuffling a pack of 52 cards, this question is from the chapter. Which chapter is it? Tell me. Which chapter is it? Can anyone tell me? Let's see how is the preparation going on. This chapter is probability, and we will be doing a complete question analysis for this particular topic. Okay. So, anyone with the solutions? I told you to solve this one, right? I told everyone to solve, but no, sir. We haven't solved, sir, because we don't listen to you. See, while shuffling a pack of 52 cards, one card was accidentally dropped. Like, shuffling means like this. When you're shuffling the cards, okay? Now, when you are shuffling the cards, one card dropped, okay? Find the probability that the dropped card is not a face card. What are face cards? Anyone? Face cards are king, queen, and jack. Aces come in face card or they do not come in face card? Tell me. Shall I write it aces included or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Aces. One. Aces. Aces do not come in face cards. I'm going to ask you some good question. Let's see who is going to answer in the end of this question. At the end of this question. Okay. Now, there are four kings, right? There are four kings. There are four queens. There are four jacks, right? What is the probability that the dropped card is not a face card? First one we are going to solve. See this properly. First one is not a face card. Probability of not a face card. That means something upon 52. Yes, sir. Now how many cards? Total cards are 52. 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals to 12. That means favorable outcomes will be the drop card could not be a face card. It could be anything other than face. That means 52 minus 12. The remaining number of cards will be 52 minus 12. That means 40 upon 52. If you cancel by 4, 4 tens are 4 13s are. 10 by 13 is my answer for the first part. Yes or no? Answer for the first part. How many of you are actually liking this session? So do not forget to like in the like section also. Yes or no? Next, first part is this. Okay. Second part. What is the probability that it is a black king? Black king would be. Now this king, it has two black. It has two black kings and two, obviously two red. Two black and two red. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, sir. So we'll write what? Probability of a black king. A black king will be what? Again, something upon total cards are 52. Yes. Yes. One card was accidentally dropped. What is the probability that the dropped card is a black king? That means only 2 by 52. That means 1 upon 26. How many of you got this answer? How many of you got this? This is very interesting topic. Probability is very interesting topic, but the thing is you must know how to solve this. Now, if aces star concept, okay, you must remember aces, queens, ace, king, queen, and jack. They combinedly are known as what? These are known as honor cards. These are known as honor cards. Okay. So how many honor cards are there? How many honor cards are there? What are honor cards in a pack of 52 cards? Aces, king, queen, and jack. They combinedly form what? Yes. Owner cards. Right? These are actually owner, OWNER, owner cards, but they are called as honor cards. Honor to the owner. Regard to the owner, like that. Okay. Honor cards. HONOR. You are no? HONOR. Simply HONOR. HONOR. Honor cards are referred for aces, kings, queens, and jacks. So 16 honor cards would be there. Yes or no? Hmm? Sorted? Yes or no? Got it? Probability. I think some Pascal was there. I don't know the complete name. Don't remember actually. I need not to remember all this. Some Pascal was related to probability. Right. Okay. Hi. Hello. I'm good. How are you? Fine. Let's move forward. Do not forget to like. This is Matholics and you are my Matholics. आप हो तो हम हैं. ठीक है. So there are two black cards, two red cards. All of these are under the king, right? Okay. How many kind of denominations are there? Can anyone tell me? HDSC. What is HDSC? Can anyone tell me, guys? What is HDSC? Yes or no? You know the bank HDFC? Yes, sir. Instead of HDFC, you learn to write it like this: HDSC. This is hearts, this is diamond, this is spade, this is king. Okay. These both are red, this is black. Okay. So how many red cards are there? 26. How many black cards are there? 26. How many hearts are there? 13. Diamonds 13, spades 13, clubs 13. Okay. Every denomination A, K, Q, J, then 1 to 9. 1 to 9 numbers and 4 kinds of honor cards. So 13 cards. 13 cards every card. 4 times. So 13 fours are 52. Okay. Sorted. You just remember that HD is red and SC is black. Okay. Hearts and diamonds are red colored. You must know in a pack of 52 cards. And spades and clubs of black color. Okay, let's move to next question. Prove that under root 3 is an irrational number, right? The branded question, okay? It comes as it is. Prove that under root 3 is an irrational number. It also has a choice question that will also do. Okay. So question number 26 is there. Both parts I'll be solving, but just read out the first part. Read out the first part, okay? Question says prove that under root 3 is an irrational number. How to prove? Let root 3 is rational. Let under root 3 is rational. You can maximize your screens, zoom your screens, then it will be very much clear. I think it is very much clear, zoomable, right? It is very much clear. I can see it's very much clear. Okay. So under root 3, let root 3 is rational number. So under root 3 equals to P by Q, where P and Q are co-primes. This is the condition which you must write in your solutions. P and Q are co-prime. So let squaring both sides. So 3Q square will be P square. That means if this comes, that means what? 3 divides P square. P square is divisible by 3 because P square equal to 3 to something. P square equal to 3 into Q square. That means 3 is a factor of P square, right? So let P equals to 3. Let P equals to 3A. 3 into something. Squaring both sides. What is P square? P square is 3Q square, right? So here we'll write Q square equal to 3A square. Just squaring both sides, right? Just squaring both sides, right? So instead of this, you must write like this, that P equals to 3A. Right? This is P. Squaring both sides, P square equal to 9A square. Instead of P square, you must write this complete term, that is 3Q square equals to 9A square. 3 and 3 cancel. That means Q square equal to 3A square. So this means what? 3 is a factor of Q square like it was here, right? So 3 is a factor of Q. Here 3 was a factor of P. So 3 is a common factor of P and Q. But we assume that what? P and Q are co-primes, right? That means our assumption was wrong. This is contradiction. So root 3 is rational number. Like this you have to write down in your exams, right? This is the theoretical part. You must remember, every one of you. Next. State true or false for each of the following statements and justify. First part. Hmm. First part says, state true or false that 2 into 3 into 5 into 7 plus 7 is a composite number. First one. 2 into 3 into 5 into 7 plus 7 is a composite number. True or false? Anyone? What we are doing, this is the CBSE class 10 maths board exam question paper, right? Board exam question paper, right? It is set 1, I guess, right? Okay, it is set 1. Okay, 2020, 2025, which was on 10th March. Okay, this 10th March, this question paper came in the exams, right? So, is it true? You treat this as a separate term and this as a separate term because plus is in between. This is all multiplication. If 7 comes common, it is 2 into 3 into 5 and it's plus 7. Yes or no? So it is 7 into 2, 3 are 6, 6, 5 are 30 plus 7. That is, it is 7 into 37. So it is what? It is product of primes. Product of primes. And we know that product of primes would mean a composite number. Would mean a composite number. Got it? So this way you have to write down, okay? That we could express this one as a product of primes. And when it is expressible in the form of product of primes, they will say it is what? It is composite number. Okay. Now next one, see. This was first one. Next one, see. Second one I'm writing here. Second. 2 into 3 into 5 into 7 plus 1. Plus 1. So you take out it as what will be it? So you can write it as multiplicative form also. 7 into this, 7 7 is 49. 7 3 is 21. 2 7 7 is 49. 7 is 21. 259. And we know that it is what? Because it is expressible as a sum of product of primes. As a product of primes. So it is what? It is composite number. Okay. And okay, 210 and 14 to 59. Yes. Now, this one. 2 3 are 6. 6 5 is 30. 30 into 7, 210 plus 1. Came out to be 211. There is no, this is prime number. This is what? This is prime number. Because there is no other factor than this. 1 and this number. Yes or no? Only 1 and this number are the factors for this particular number. Yes or no? Yes or no? You got this point, that only 1 and this number 211. So 211 is a prime number. They are saying it is a composite number. So it will be false. Right? And the first one will be true. This is true. This is false. Got the point? So this way, if you really have to drag out 3 marks. This is the best way. Okay, can we move forward? Need to copy? I guess you must have copied. Next question. This or part we have done already. First one is 2, second one is obtain the zeros. Okay, question from polynomials. Here is it. It's here on your screens. Okay, so here it is. Obtain the zeros of the polynomial 7x square plus 18x minus 9. Okay, 7x square plus 18x minus 9. This is polynomial px. Okay, you have to find zeros of the polynomial. Okay, hence write a polynomial each of whose zeros is twice the zeros of given polynomial. Right, now you have to write another polynomial, a new polynomial whose zeros are just double of this. So see how to write. First you have to solve this one. First you have to solve this one. You'll compare it with 0. So 7x square plus 18x minus 9 equal to 0. So you have actually, how to solve this polynomial? Tell me. By using quadratic formula, right? So this is comparable to ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So we'll write a equals to 7. B is what? B is 18. What is value of c? C equals to minus 9. So you find the discriminant as b square minus 4ac. How many of you know the quadratic formula? How many of you know the quadratic formula? Anyone? Anyone? How many of you know the quadratic formula? Hmm? Tell me. Tell me. Quadratic formula. Quadratic formula. How many of you know this formula? Hmm? Tell me. Yes, very good. Excellent, Akash. Excellent. Tell me. Obviously, yes. Okay. Now, so for that you need D because x equals to what? X is equals to minus B plus minus under root D and whole upon 2a. Yes or no? Yes. So B square would mean what? 18 square minus 4 into what is A? A is 7. What is C? Minus. Now can you see why I say that the values must be written in the brackets? Can you see? This is 18 square minus 9. If you write 4, 7, minus 9, it's confusing, right? So in brackets, okay, b square minus 4 into 7 into minus. Okay, now 18 square is 324 minus minus plus. 7 4s are 28 into 9, 252 is it? Check. And you add it, it comes 576. So D is 576. It is actually 24 square. Yes or no? So D came out to be a perfect square of 24. Okay. Now you just need to solve this question like this. See. So x will be equals to what? Minus b would mean minus 18 plus minus under root 576 upon 2a would mean 2 into 7. That means minus 18 plus minus 24 upon 14. So it's minus 18 plus 24 by 14. X equals to. So it will be or x equals to minus 18 minus 24 by 14. Okay. So it came out to be 24 minus 18 is 6, right? 6 by 14. 2 3s are 2 7s are. So x equals to 3 upon 7. First answer. Next, it will be minus 18 minus 24 means minus 42 by 14. 14 ones are 14 3s are. So x equals to minus 3. So these are my two answers. Yes or no? 3 by 7 and minus 3. X equals to 3 by 7 and minus 3. Yes. minus 3 and 3 by 7, correct. Minus 3 and 3 by 7, correct. Now. So this is the quadratic formula. You can actually do this by splitting the middle term also. That would have been easier. But many of you are actually confused in splitting the middle term, because that actually came in your 9th standard, and your 9th standard foundation is totally blundered, I know. Okay, that's why you are here right now. Okay. So, okay, no worries. But you must learn actually. If you are having something new now, you must learn. Okay. So that's the way. Okay. So next thing, how to solve now new polynomial. You have to find a new polynomial whose zeros are twice the zeros of the given polynomial. So twice of this will be, first will be 6 by 7 and twice of minus 3 minus 6. Okay. So you first write down sum equals to 6 by 7 plus minus 6. That means 7 LCM. 6 minus 42. That means minus 36 by 7. This is sum. Product will be what? Product will be 6 by 7 into minus 6. That means minus 36 by 7. Okay. So we'll write the polynomial fx as k into x square minus sx plus p. That means what is k? Value of k is anything. You put k as 1. K as 1 into x square minus, what is sum? It is minus 30. So minus 36 by 7 into x plus minus 36 by 7. Right. Finally, answer will be what? X square plus 36x by 7 minus 36 by 7. One form is this. You must write the answer like this. Another form is you take 7 as the LCM. You take 7 as the LCM, right? So answer will be what? If you wish finally to write the answer in a simplified, more simplified way, so it will be what? 7x square plus 36x minus 36 whole upon 7, right? Remove this 7 also, because that was constant after that, before that. So 7x square plus 36x minus 36. This is also the answer, right? And this one is also the answer. Anyone you can write, okay? You just take it to the simplest form and remove all the constant and denominators, okay? 7x square plus 36x minus 36. Copy it. I'm giving you 2-3 minutes. Copy it. Important question could come as it is in section C or D, whatever. I cannot repeat. You can actually uh, see the previous one also. How to repeat this complete question? It's not possible, beta. It's not possible. It's not matter of joke that I must repeat. You say and I'm repeating. No, it's not like that. You can see the solution. It's given already. Don't worry. Done. So this is the way actually you need to practice these kind of questions. These are HOTS level questions. At least you can treat them as HOTS, not properly HOTS, but okay. Solve the following system of equations graphically. So let's take this solution as it is on the screens and let us understand this one. Okay. So this one is here, right? Now, see. Solve the following system of equations graphically. 2x minus 5 minus 2 equals to 0 and minus 4x plus y plus 4 equals to 0. Now, how to solve this? Here is the, so take upstream, downstream questions. Ramesh, I think Mr. Ramesh Rathod, okay. I think you must watch the upstream, downstream videos. Already there are 3 or 4 videos. Those have gone viral, okay. You go and watch those videos, okay. Huh. Unnecessarily, we cannot start anything here, right? This is question paper going on. We have to solve question paper only, right? So next, for this type of question, you first move the constant to the right hand side. You first move the constant to the right hand side. Okay, so equation becomes 2x minus y equals to 2, and this equation becomes 4 comes here, minus 4x plus y equals to minus. Now you just have to make tables and put for 2x minus y equals to 2. I'm doing it here. 2x minus y equal to 2, right? First equation. You must make a box. Inside that box, write down x and y and these two columns. Put x equal to 0 and search the value of y. So 2x, put x equals to 0. So it will be 0 minus y equals to 2, y equals to minus 2. So it comes to be minus 2. And y is 0, put y equals to 0. So it will be 2x minus 0 equals to 2. So x equals to 2 by 2, that is 1. Clear? Yes or no? So it is 1. So the point will be 0 comma minus 2. This point will be 1 comma 0. Always you have to write for x comma 0, right? Always you have to write for x comma 0, x comma y, not y comma x. X comma y, not y comma x. Yes or no? Got the point? I think a big yes. Okay. Now see, when you look over to this graph, you just need to plot 2 points, right? For the second equation, you are going to do yourself. For y 0, x will be 1. For x 0, y will be minus 4. Okay. For first equation, points are what? Points 0 comma minus 2 and 1 comma 0. So 0 comma minus 2, here is the point. 1 comma 0, here is the point. When you connect both of these points, you are going to have this kind of line. Yes or no? Got my point? You're going to have this kind of line. Okay. This is the line which is actually required. Second line, if you focus, the points are 1 comma 0 is the same point. Other point is minus 4, 0 comma minus 4. So you start connecting this point to this point, and this is the required line. Okay. Like this. So these two lines actually intersect over this point. So 1 comma 0 is the required solution. 1 comma 0. Got the point? So this is how actually you take. This is how you actually take these questions to solve. Okay. Okay. Also, if this is the line, you must drag it like this and make an arrow, right? Arrows must be there at the corners of every line. Okay. You start practicing this question. This question is for your practice, right? So this is the way you actually draw graph. Okay. This graph question also comes for 3 marks, easily 3 marks. Okay. Also find the absolute difference between the ordinates of the points where given lines cut y-axis. What does this mean? What does this mean, right? Find the absolute difference between the ordinates of the points where given lines cut y-axis. Given lines cut y-axis. Y-axis. First line is cutting y-axis at -2, right? -2. And second line is cutting the y-axis at -4. So what is the absolute difference? What is the difference of them? This is 4, this is 2, that's it. This is 2, this is 4. So difference is 4 minus 2, that is 2. So this will be the absolute difference 2. Sorted, got the point. So this way you have to solve. Absolute means what? Absolute value. -5, absolute value is 5. -2, absolute value is 2. So what the difference between 5 and 2? 3. Similarly, -2 and -4, absolute values are 2 and 4. Difference will be 4 minus 2, that is. Got the point? This is the way you are going to solve. So this question is in front of you. You keep on solving this question. That's it for today. Tomorrow, I guess, if there is a class, we'll be completing this sample paper, this question paper. The remaining questions, I guess, 8 to 9 questions still remaining with choices, options. Okay. So that's it. This is JP sir signing off. We'll be meeting tomorrow. Till then, goodbye, good night, take care. I love all of you. Yes. पढ़ते रहो लड़ते रहो आगे बढ़ते रहो. Nina to fair when JP is here. Bye bye. Good night.